Hello, for today we discuss about Massive Open Online Course or MOOC in Media and Information Literacy. The content of our topics is all about meaning of the MOOCs, the type of MOOC, and the disadvantage and advantage of MOOCs, and also the differences about CMOOCs and XMOOCs, also the MOOC platforms. Massive Open Online Course is an acronym for Massive Open Online Course. The word massive means large number or amount. Open means accessible to all. Online means connected to or available through a system. And course means to act of moving in a path to point to point. Therefore, Massive Open Online Course refers to a route of pattern to getting a content or information available through online system that can be accessed by many people. Massive Open Online Course or MOOC is also described as a pattern for avoiding learning information or content online to any person who needs to take up a course with no limit or on attendance. There have a types of the Massive Open Online Course. There have two types, the XMOOCs or Extended Massive Open Online Course and the CMOOCs, which means the Connectivist Massive Online Course. XMOOCs or the Extended Massive Open Online Course are based on traditional university course structures and make use of established teaching approach and materials. Students will watch pre-recorded lectures, complete required readings, and participate in discussion as produced and managed by a course instructor or an instructional team for a higher educational institution. These are typically self-contained and rarely utilize content external to the main content delivery and learning platforms. CMOOCs or Connectivist Massive Open Online Course are based on Connective's learning model that favors collaboration among learners as a form of active learning. Students in Connective Massive Open Online Course work together to locate, evaluate, and contribute to the course content by uploading materials in the form of tweets, blogs, wikis, and others to the course using the learning platform as a Connective Massive Open Online Course instructor or instructor team facilitates learning by finalizing, aggregating, assessing the students' contribution to the course. We discuss about difference between CMOOCs and XMOOCs or the Connectivist Massive Open Online Course and the Extended Massive Open Online Course. CMOOCs have scalability or progression in massive and CMOOCs have community and connection. In open, CMOOCs have open access restricted license and CMOOCs have open access and license. In online, CMOOCs have individual learning in single platform and CMOOCs have network learning across multiple platforms or services. In course, CMOOCs have acquired a curriculum of knowledge and skills. Also, CMOOCs have developed shared practices, knowledge, and understanding. Advantages of Massive Open Online Course or MOOC. Number 1. Relaxed requirements. Massive Open Online Course can be taken by anyone who is interested in the subject matter and able to access the course regardless of age, background, or location. Number 2. Video format availability. Teaching in a modern video format, not just text like those that you find in other e-learning courses. 3. Accessibility. Learning content from top universities like Harvard, Stanford, etc. can be opened through online format. 4. Repetition. A Massive Open Online Course will often run 2 or 3 times a year, ensuring the students would not miss their chances. 5. High quality. Massive open online courses are led by subject matter experts and supported by teaching assistants so that students have access to first-rate educational resources. 6. Feasibility. A massive open online course usually requires 1 to 2 hours of study a week for about 5 weeks, making learning doable even for busy students. 7. Self-paced. A massive open online course enables students to work through the course materials and assessments at their own pace. 8. Online collaboration. Learners are across the globe work together on common goals without the need to meet each other in person. The disadvantages of massive open online course. Number 1. Can provide for personalized coursework and attention from a tutor. 2. It's difficult to keep track of students' assignments and involvements. 3. Learners with disabilities and poor internet connection can use massive open online course. 4. Language can be a barrier while offering massive open online course. 5. Massive open online courses can be used as a credit earning course at universities. What are some massive open online course platforms? We have a Coursera, edX, Udacity, and FutureLearn. Coursera has over 20 million learners or participants. Courses were created by the universities of Stanford, Princeton, Yale, London, Munich, Zurich, and many more. edX. edX has around 10 million learners or participants. Courses were created from Harvard, MIT, Berkeley, and Oxford, among others. Udacity is created as an massive open online course platform at Stanford, now mostly programming courses in cooperation with industry partners such as Google, Facebook, or Dreamer. Courses topics include artificial intelligence and self-driving cars. FutureLearn is a massive open online course platform by UK-based, which includes various British and European universities. Courses offered are shorter in duration compared to others. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and God bless.